Kia ora, I'm John Dunn. I'm from Mitimiti. My role in the Warawara is team leader. I've got 3 boys on my side, which are Stanley Dunn, Roscoe Matthews and Clayton Murray. Cutting tracks basically is a big one for our side at the moment because there's hardly any. Setting traps, getting to know where they actually live and stuff like that. Coming across new plants, you know, getting to know our plants, our birds. I've been living and breathing, playing in this place for most of my life now. We gotta actually get our asses into gear and start helping our own forest on our side as well as the other. Otherwise, once one side dies, the other side's gonna eventually go. And you don't get much people that wanna do this job. You get probably 5 out of the whole community that does wanna do it. Most people, they go for it for a job. It's money. Basically, we're doing it for our aroha, because we live in the area, basically. And yeah, it's freedom, basically. You get to work up there. You go in, well, I experienced to live up there, basically, for 10 days. And it's the best feeling ever. You come out a whole different person. Basically, you get the feeling and you get the jitters each time you want to go back, you want to go back. You want to go and do this. You see possums on the ground, you want to do it again. The benefits for me is the pride from my community to actually get put up on a thing for our community and getting noticed, basically, getting our bush up and going. And if we get it into the young kids now, then maybe deeper, like in a few years, they get that knowledge and that feeling where they have to, like, it's home. Yeah, I love it, yeah, but it's more hard to say it than showing it. I could show you more better than saying it, basically.